Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best embossing machines in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 14. Happy Buy Embossing Machine 72. Excellently suitable for DIY use, this cutting embossing machine is a versatile device. You can flexibly prepare signs, cards, labels, tags, etc. Generally, this die cutting machine functions well with almost every embossing folder, belonging from multiple manufacturers. Moreover, it functions seamlessly with all your cutting dies. All you need to do is just make sure that the dimension of one of the embossing folders is 3 inches or less in width. Due to its superb portability, any DIY enthusiasts or professional users can easily carry it from one room to another. Hence, this roller machine is proficient to cut and emboss several different materials. Now it is not at all tough to create your unique cards, scrapbook pages, invitations, fashion show, home decor, quilting and much more. Taking a look at the things packed in this cutting embossing machine set, it comes with almost all the essential items. Its pack contains this machine, an embossing mat and 2 standard embossing plates. Overall, its build quality is durable and capable of withstanding the wear and tear. Number 13. Cricut 2000293 Cuttlebug Machine. Cricut Cuttlebug accepts the dies you already own. Cricut Cuttlebug loves the materials you love, freeing you to cut and emboss from a wide range of crafting materials. Compact fold and store profile allows storage in less space than other leading machines with a built-in pop-up handle. The Cricut Cuttlebug goes wherever you find inspiration. Box contents include Cricut Cuttlebug die cutter and embosser, 1A spacer, 2B cutting pads, instruction booklet and 1 5x7 flower embossing folder. Comes with all necessary cutting pads you need to get started. User manual. Bonus embossing folder, simple flower. Number 12. Instahibit Embosser Stamping Machine. Instahibit can be another option that you should keep in mind while buying professional embossing machines made for using in an office space. This Instahibit embossing machine is quite similar to the previous Schsand one in many ways. For starters, this one is also made to be used with credit cards and ID cards. And for the same, it includes a total of 70 inbuilt characters with standardized font. Just like the Schsand embossing machine, this is also limited in terms of its cutting platform, which measures at just 3.36 inch x 2.16 inch, because of which it cannot be used for art and craft. Fortunately, this Instahibit embossing machine also offers a great build quality along with a decent 6-month warranty. Number 11. Schsand embossing machine. When compared with most other embossing machines made for art and craft, Schsand and its offerings are more ideal for office usage thanks to their inbuilt characters. Schsand's embossing machine is primarily made to be used for credit cards and ID cards instead of decorative purposes. This is due to the reason that you get a total of 72 inbuilt characters with it that uses a standardized font for embossing. Unfortunately, this means that you get a very small cutting platform of 3.36 inch x 2.16 inch with it. With this manual embossing machine made for office usage, you get excellent build quality and a decent 6-month warranty for reliability and long-term use. Number 10. Papoose Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. Papoose is a well-known brand for providing high-quality craft supplies. Among their wide product range, embossing machine has grabbed a place in our list because of its efficiency. This tool is actually a combination of die cutting and embossing, which is suitable for a wide range of applications from making greeting cards to decorations for parties. This tool is compatible with most of the leading brands for embossing folders and die cuts. You can use it to cut different materials ranging from cardstock, paper, felt, tissue, cork, balsa wood and others. It comes with handle for easy operation and a super stable base is also provided, which prevents the machine from falling off. Number 9. Spellbinders PL001 Platinum Spellbinders can be another brand to consider if you want a fairly large-sized embossing machine for heavy-duty usage in your office or home. Created with a solid steel core construction, it effortlessly cuts up to 8 layers in a single pass. Machine can cut over 40 different materials including wool, balsa wood, chipboard, craft metal, leather and so much more. Some heavier materials require contour steel rule dies to cut. Machine can be used with most standard wafer-thin etch dies, embossing folders, texture plates, and contour steel rule dies. Number 8. Vevor Leather Cutting Machine. The Vevor Leather Cutting Machine looks decidedly more industrial than the crafting machines we've mentioned above, but if you want to emboss hefty leather projects, it's the best choice for you. It can also be used on fabric leather, foamed PVC, plastic or rubber board, and medium soft board. The large cutting surface will make it perfectly suitable for fashion projects and even large leather garments. It's also a great price for such a capable machine. Number 7. Sizzix Big Shot Foldaway. When closed and packed away, the Sizzix Big Shot Foldaway is just 15.8 by 26.6 by 20.3 centimeters. Even the handle folds away in front of the machine, so it's perfectly portable and also well sized for those who want a neat and tidy crafting space when it's not in use. As with any hinged cutting surface, it may be less sturdy than a model that won't fold away, but it's a price worth paying if you love to craft on the go. The Sizzix Big Shot Foldaway also has inbuilt storage that can keep dies and tools safe and out of the way when you're not crafting. At 6 inches, the Sizzix Big Shot Foldaway is best suited to A5 tasks, so expect to do any full-size A4 tasks with this portable embossing machine. Number 6. Gemini Mini Crafter's Companion. The Gemini Mini Crafter's Companion is the smallest embossing machine in our lineup. From simple embellishments to stick to cards, to mini labels to complete a perfectly wrapped present, it's great for those little tasks that don't require a large machine. At only 1 kilogram in weight, the Gemini Mini Crafter's Companion is also the most portable design we tried. It's got a platform of 3 by 6 inches, so your crafts will be quick and you'll be able to turn the dial evenly and smoothly. Use in addition to your main embossing machine, or pair with a Cricut machine to add to your list of crafting capabilities. Number 5. Sizzix 660550 Industrial Strength Die with an opening of 13 inches. Machine comes with 1 standard sliding tray, 1 standard cutting pad, 1 premium crease pad, 2 mylar shims, 1 standard adapter pad and 1 die pick. Die cutting and embossing, for the crafter who wants it all, comes the Pro Strength Die Cutting Machine that does it all. Industrial strength, constructed from steel, aluminum and metal alloy, this die cutting machine comes with an industrial strength roller. Multitude of materials, with a 33 cm opening, the Big Shot Pro can cut wider materials to create bigger and better projects. Compatibility, the Big Shot Pro is compatible with the entire Sizzix library, including Plus and Pro dies. Product dimensions, this machine measures approximately 24.14 inch by 15 inch x 7.12 inch and weighs 19.9 kilograms. Number 4. Gemini MIDI Manual Die Cutting Anamp Embossing Machine. Embossing your homemade cards is an easy way to add a professional touch. The Gemini MIDI Manual Die Cutting Anamp Embossing Machine has a 6 by 9 inch cutting platform, so it's the perfect size for cards. It works on felt, cardstock, foil, glitter paper, and more materials, and comes with a plastic shim and cutting folder. You'll have to buy additional folders for embossing, though. While it's perfectly sized for card making, you can also use the Gemini MIDI for smaller embossing tasks, making it a perfect machine for scrapbooking or adding finishing touches to larger projects. At under 3 kilograms, it's also very lightweight. Number 3. Sizzix Big Shot Manual Die Cutting Machine. The starter kit from Sizzix is built to last. It has a steel core roller system to evenly emboss and die cut every task, and comes with a platform, cutting pads, and a thin die adapter. It won't work with embossing folders wider than 6 inches, but with a carry handle and manual design, the Sizzix Big Shot Manual Die Cutting Machine is perfect for beginners and those who are new to embossing. Because Sizzix has a wide range of compatible dies and platforms, you can even expand your collection as you advance. Our one complaint is that the Sizzix Big Shot won't fold away for easier storage, but this does mean that the cutting platform is stronger. Number 2. Gemini GMM-GLO. This set from Gemini is expansive. Included with the Gemini GMM-GLO you'll get a magnetic shim, plastic shim, rubber embossing mat, metal cutting platform, and 2 clear cutting platforms. It also includes an ornate lace 3D folder and a multimedia die set. Another thing that sets the Gemini GMM-GLO is its electronic design. It has 3 buttons on the top of the machine: on, start, and reverse. This design makes it quick and even, and it's perfect for those who want to be more hands-free or who may struggle to turn a lever. Number 1. Byra Craft Die Cutting Amp Embossing Machine. Unlike many of the best embossing machines, the Byra Craft Die Cutting Amp embossing machine has an adjustable gear system to adjust the height of the platform for a range of projects. It combines a 9-inch slot opening with a portable, fold-away cutting surface, so not only is it large enough for full-sized A4 tasks, but it's also a portable choice. There is even space underneath the cutting surface to store the handle when you're traveling. There are 3 modes to choose from, which can be controlled with the dial at the top of the embossing machine. Alongside a 3D emboss and 2D letterpress emboss setting, there is also a die cutting mode.